is very well known to most of you, and to those who never heard of her, you will have a chance to see her beautiful book. Well, actually two books. One was a product of unhappy years of 90s, where she had a significant engagement protecting the truth, saying a different kind of truth that majority of the people were able to hear on the television and the official media. And now, today, we have a lot happier occasion. She is presenting her book of the Serbian tradition, of Serbian culture, of Serbian history, and ultimately, and most importantly, maybe for the subject of this book, Serbian cuisine.
Oh yeah.
So, well, please welcome her, and she will take over.
Thank you very much for coming, and I'd like to thank everybody at the Serbian Embassy for hosting this event, and especially Katarina for all her help throughout the previous weeks. And yes, this latest book, Heart of Serbia, is very different from the one I published at the end of 1999, War of Words, which basically tries to explain a very intense period of time, certainly for the Balkans, and here in the United States too, where you had Serbia in the news every day, and the conflict in Bosnia and Croatia, and we heard a lot about Serbs, but it occurred to me that back then, and even really today, there really isn't a very strong understanding of the Serbian culture and history, and what these people are all about. So I thought, let's rewind a little bit and let's just go back to see, what are these people all about. And then I wanted to experiment with a kind of a new format for a book, because most books are either travel books or cuisine, cooking books, or books on history, and this one kind of puts it all together. Travel destinations, history, music, culture, some of the Serbian Orthodox traditions. It also has recipes in the back, and everything, and it's also in English and Serbian in the same book. And one of the reasons for that is I did want all the English-speaking people throughout the world, the United States and England and so forth, to be able to read about Serbs, but also we have a lot of Serbs in diaspora. I think there are over 4 million Serbs throughout the world outside of Serbia. And I wanted some of the, especially first, second, third generation, to reconnect with their Serbian culture, to understand a little bit more about it, and to experience it in a little bit more positive way than the shock of the 1990s that we all experienced. So that's what this new book is all about. It has lots of photographs, images. Most of them are mine, and then some of them have been cited in the back. And it is my sincere hope that especially Americans will come and visit Serbia and be inspired to visit Serbia after they read this book. I've tried to put a personal narration there to explain to you what it's like to be there, because I think that's the most attractive part about this country. It's not sort of a typical tourist destination. It's not a touristy place. If you walk through the streets of Belgrade, that's going to be very clear to you. But one thing that I think Serbia does have is the people. And the attraction is the amazing humor, the way you can meet people in a huge city like Belgrade on the street and just become friends, and they'll invite you for drinks or maybe a party. A lot of people know English. It's a very, very interesting, passionate culture. The people are really what make that part of the world so special. But of course, and as you will see from the photographs, there are Roman antiquities, beautiful fortresses, beautiful destinations as well, and wonderful food. So I hope those of you who haven't been to Serbia would go visit and have a great time there. And thank you again for coming, and I'm looking forward to meeting you and talking to you and questions, and please have some food as well. So thank you.